Anemia is an insufficiency of hemoglobin that prevents the blood from bringing the oxygen to the tissues and organs they need. A deficiency of folic acid, iron and/or vitamin B12 can cause anemia. A third of women between puberty and menopause have folic acid deficiency. All green vegetables are rich in folic acid. Folic acid is also found in corn, almonds, pumpkin, peanuts, bran and rye. It shouldn't be forgotten that cooking destroys 2/3 of the folic acid contained in foods. Vitamin B12 deficiency, in the long run, can cause the so-called pernicious anemia with loss of appetite, weight loss, tiredness, and memory lapses. This deficiency is particularly found in vegetarians and the elderly. The food that contains the greatest amount of vitamin B12 is calf liver. B12 supplementation is strongly recommended for vegetarians. Iron deficiency is the most common cause of anemia. This nutritional disorder affects approximately 20% of the world's population. Iron deficiency particularly affects women, as women's need for iron is almost twice that of men. Pregnant women in particular have a very high iron requirement. The foods richest in iron are shellfish, black pudding, liver, offal, eggs, cocoa, dried legumes, dried fruit and bran. In case of anemia, it is advisable to consume more vitamin C, which, among other things, improves the absorption of iron contained in vegetables. Avoid tea and coffee, as tea, tannin and caffeine reduce the body's absorption of iron.